have to bring it back because it has been so popular. It is new today. It's the Sparkle Scalloped crop pants in that Dream Jean fabric you know and love. It is our only order of the year, and it is a big deal. $50.98 for your new favorite go-to pair of pants. 3 easy payments of $16.99. We've got 2 inseams for you, regular and short. The regular is 25 inches, the short is 23, extra, extra small through 5X. Since we're limited on time, should I pull the pants and you do the colors?
Yep, medium wash, white, shadow pink, dark indigo, and sand. This is that Dream Jean fabric, 96% cotton, 4% spandex. It's a knit French terry that is dyed to look like twill or denim, depending upon which color you choose. This is a classic style, more of like a slim fit, so it eases down the body. Fully elasticized waist. There is a stitch in the elasticized waist to help prevent that twisting, which sometimes happens with a fully elasticized waist. 5-pocket styling, that slim fit, and then that frosting on the cupcake, John. That is, you know, the National Quacker Day cupcake. The scalloped trim with that sparkle that goes all the way around, not itchy scratchy, just a little sparkly, you know, a little sparkle and shiny.
It's perfect. It's that elevated look. 4,300 of these have been ordered today. Over 350 have been ordered in our show alone.
Wow.
Do not wait on this because when it is gone, it is gone. It is the only order of the year. Now I know
the short tends to be more limited.
I know my girlfriends at home are picking up these 2 colors of the medium wash and our dark indigo.
Yep.
I encourage you as your style friend today. I am telling you, you will never go wrong with a white pair of pants. You will never go wrong with a little pop of color.
Yep.
You will never go wrong with a sand, like camel color, a little like a beige color.
Yes. Yeah, it's a khaki.
Yeah, it's a khaki.
It's a really pretty khaki.
And this is that great new take on the pants that you know and love with that scallop sparkle design. It is new. You have not seen this. You don't have this in your closet.
That's right.
As we talk about a new year, we talk about upgrading our closet, upgrading our wardrobe, but not wanting to break the bank. This is something that is super versatile. It is going to instantly elevate anything you pair it with for $50.98.
Yeah, and if you've never tried a Dream Jean, this is a perfect opportunity to try the Dream Jeans. The fabric is soft, it feels great on the body, it gives you stretch no matter what your body shape. I'm more of an apple, Luann is curvy, Kulani is also curvy, Pat, who I worked with earlier today, she and I have very similar body types, although I'm a plus size and she wears the small medium and I wear a 1X, 2X. So these jeans just work no matter what your shape is, no matter what your height or size. Because they're cropped, you can get the 25-inch inseam on the regular or the 23-inch inseam on the short, because we call it short, because the front rise and the back rise are the same. Your only measurement difference is that inseam. So you could get both and have different lengths for when you're ready to show off those sandals and those shoes and whatever. These are old Vionics, by the way.
Oh, I love those.
Thank you.
You do not have to sacrifice style for comfort, and no one does it better than Quacker Factory. And today we are celebrating their 30th anniversary here, Angel's 15th anniversary with us here. And these are truly the best way to fall in love with Quacker Factory. And if you're already in love with Quacker Factory, you're gonna fall in love with this style.
Yes.
You decide whether you want our dark indigo, our medium wash, our white, our shadow pink, or our sand. Extra, extra small through 5X. We have those regular and short. The short is more limited, so do not wait. Big deal means before it is gone, and since we've had 4,300 ordered today and over 350 in this show, they're gonna be gone pretty soon. So call 800-500-7590 to place all of your orders. We had so many new items in this show.
We really did.
And a lot of expiring prices which go away in 1 minute. That's all we have for National Quacker Factory Day.
Thank you for spending National Quacker Day with us. We love you. We can't do what we do without you.
No.